Good morning, students. This is Dr. T. Bhimrao, Assistant Professor of Zoology, Kakatiya Government Degree College, Anamkonda. So today we discuss about the first semester BSc Zoology, canal system in sponges. So these are the special system present in the only periference. So body of the sponges is perforated by a large number of apertures through which water enter into the body and flows through a system uh, crisscrossing canals, collectively forming the canal system, which is a characteristic feature of the poriferans. Only this type of system is occur only in the poriferans. So these canal systems are classified into four categories. First one is the Ascan type of the canal system. So it is the flagellated spongosil. Second one is the Sycon type of the canal system. So it is flagellated radial canals. It will contain the flagellated radial canals. And third one is the Leucon type. So it is also with flagellated chambers. Fourth one is the Regan type. So it is conical shape and it is the broad base. It is found in the larval of poriferans. So this is the four types of the canal system. We see the one by one. So first one is the Ascan type. So this is the simplest type of the canal system and it is found in the Leucosolenia and other Homocela class groups. So the Leucosolenia contain the Ascan type of the canal system. This is the simplest type of the canal system. In this, the ostia are present on the surface of the body and leads directly into the spongosil, which is lined by the flagellated choanocyte cells. So you see the diagram of this Ascan type is the. So this is the Ascan type. This is the osculum. This is the spongosil. This is the epidermis, mesenchyme. This is the inside of this spongosil is the choanocyte layer, and the water enter into the body through the this pores, and this ostia open into the spongosil. It is open to outside the through the osculum. This is the simplest type of the water flowing mechanism. So in this, the spongosil opens to the outside through a narrow circular openings. These are called osculum. So this is osculums are located at the distal free end of the sponge body. The water enters through ostia into the spongosil and goes out of the body through the osculum. So this is the representation of the water current mechanism. So water enter into the body, this dermal pores, internal ostia and spongosil, osculum and outside of the water body. So second type is the Sycon type of the canal system. So this type of the canal system is a characteristic of Syconoid sponges. Best example is the Scypha. So the body wall is secondarily folded in the form of current and radial canals, which opens into the spongiosele by the opening called apophyll. So this is the sum of the complexity uh, is there compared with the Ascan type. In this, the body wall is lined by the folded uh, form, the incurrent and radial canals, which opens into the spongiosele by an opening called apophyll. So both sponges, both type of the canal systems are uh, interconnected by the minute pores called prosophiles. So these are the special structures present in the cycon type, apophyles, prosophiles. So you see the structure of this cyconoid type. So in the cyconoid type, you have the two structures: cyconoid type with cortex and without cortex. So first you see the without cortex. So in the without cortex, so the water enter into the this uh, canals. They are called incurrent canals. Then go to the prosophiles. Then go to the radiophiles. Then water enter the apophiles. Then water enter into the spongiosele. Then water outs through the osculum. So in the with cortex also, so some complex you compare with this without cortex. So this is the structure of the with cortex. So same this incurrent canals, radial canals, prosophiles, apophiles, spongiosele, and gastral internal spongiosele cortex and dermal pores and dermal cortex is also there in this. The water comes out through the this osc. So this is about the with cortex and without cortex of the cycanoid. So, so in this, the incurrent pores or ostia are found on the outside of the surface body and openings into the incurrent canals, which leads into the adjacent radial canals through the minute pores called prosophiles. So these are the prosophiles. Radial canals are the flagellated chambers that opens into the central spongiosele. Incurrent internal openings are called apophiles. So two definitions have there: prosophiles and apophiles. Incurrent pores or ostia are found in the uh, outer surface of the body and opens into the incurrent canals, which leads into the adjacent radial canals through minute openings. These are called prosophiles. The radial canals are flagellated chambers or opens into the this central spongiosele by the internal openings. These are called apophiles. The spongiosele is a narrow without flagellated cells, but in lined pinacocytes and opens to the exterior through the osculum in the spongiosele. So in more complex cycon type is found in Grantia. The incurrent canals travels along the irregular course through the tissue and connected to the radial canals, thus forming the large subdermal spaces. So this is the water current mechanism of Saigon type of canal system. So the first water enter into the ostia, into the canal system, current canals through the ostia. Then the incurrent canals opens into the prosophiles. Then prosophiles opens into the radial canals. Then radial canals opens into the apophiles. These are opens into the excurrent canal. These are opens into the spongiocele and outside through the osculum. And the next one is the leucon type. Next one is the leucon type. So in this case, the radial canals gets divided into the small rounded or oval flagellated chambers by the further folding of the body wall. So this is a characteristic features of the leuconoid sponges such as spongilla, incurrent canals open through the flagellated chambers through the prosophiles. So this is the leuconoid type of the canal system. You can see this in the figures. So these are again divided into apodal and diplodal. Apodal and diplodal. The flagellated chambers in the flagellated chambers in their turn communicate with excurrent canals through the apophiles. The excurrent canals are formed as a result of division of spongiocele which has almost disappeared in these sponges. Thus, the excurrent canals communicated with the outside through a small spongiocele and an osculum. This type of the canals system have varying degree of the complexity of the canals and based on the that of the can classified into the following types. These are the Euryphilus type. Euryphilus. So in this type, the flagellated chambers communicated directly by the broad apertures called apophiles with the excurrent canals. The incurrent canals bring water into the flagellated chamber through the prosophile. Example is the Plachina. Euryphilus type with the example is the Plachina. So in this second one is the apodal type and dipodal type. So in this type the apophiles is drawn out as the narrow canal called aphodus. So which connects the flagellated chambers with excurrent canal. Here also the incurrent canal brings water into the flagellated chambers. In this apodal type is the example is the Geodina. In the diplodal type, in some sponges, besides the apodus, another narrow tube called prosodus is present between the incurrent canals and flagellated chambers. Example is the spongillina. So this is the water current mechanism of the leucon type. So dermal ostia, subdermal space and many incurrent canals. And then water goes to the prosodus, then water into these prosophiles, then water into these the flagellated chambers, again apophiles and aphodus in excurrent canals and larger canals and osculum and come out through the osculum water. And another type of the canal system is the Regan type. So this Regan type canal system is found in the larval stage of the these sponges. So in the Regan type, in the Demospongia, leuconoid and condition is derived from the larval stage called Regan type as found in the Spongilla. The body is conical and tent-like in shape, tapering towards the osculum. So this is the structure of the Regan type. So this is the triangle shape. This is the osculum. This is this is the spongiocele. This is the hypophore. This is the flagellated chambers. This is the spongiophore. And these are the apophile. This is the prosophiles. So the spongiocele is broadened by the oval flagellated chambers in openings into the apophyles. The mesenchyme is considerably thick and is transversed into the incurrent canals and subdermal cavities. The water enters into the subdermal cavities through the ostium and then enters into the incurrent canals, or it can be called prosodus. The flagellated chambers are connected to the spongiocele through the excurrent canal, or it can be called apodus. This canal system is primitive as compared to the diplodal type, and when the larval grows transformed to a diplodal type. So, significance of the canal system. So, the flagella of choanocytes beats to produce the water current which enters the spongiocele through the ostia. So this is the first useful of the canal system. It carries food particles and oxygen and sweeps away the metabolic waste through the osculum. So the functions mainly is the they collect the they carry the food materials, they collect the food particles and oxygen, and also eliminate the waste metabolic wastes through the osculum. So therefore the canal system serves as the functions of the food collections, respiration and excretion. In simple type of the canal system, there is a lesser number of cells and then the body wall, but the canal system becomes more complex. The number of flagellated cells increased and the force to draw the water current in the uh, increased. So these are the significance of the canal system. I repeat once again. So the flagella of choanocytes beads to the produce the water current which enters into the spongiocele through the ostia. The incurrent, it carries the food particles and oxygen and sweeps away the metabolic waste through the osculum. So therefore the canal system serves as the functions of the food collection, respiration and excretion. The simple type of the canal system, there is lesser number of cells of the thin body wall, but as the canal system becomes more complex, the number of flagellated cells increased and the force to draw water uh, current is increased. So these are the canal system present in the poriferans. Canal system present in the poriferans. So in your essay type of the question, write the uh, essay on the canal system on the poriferans. So this is the poriferans canal system.